Hi everyone, my name's Lewis and I'm from Refresh Super. I'm an accountant that specialises in clients with self-managed super funds for all their accounting needs all year round. Recently, back in November 2020, I attended a workshop presented by Rusty from Get Rare on property investing. Property investing is not a speciality for everyone amongst us, and we often need to find information and we're not too sure who to find it from or whether they're even trustworthy to begin with. The workshop I attended back in November by Rusty was actually very informative and very well presented, and if you were thinking about property investing and how to go about it or where to start, Rusty had a lot of information that I found to be quite factual and very helpful. So if you were thinking about joining one of his workshops, I wouldn't hesitate. It would only cost you about an hour and a half of your evening or day, and you would find it very worth your while, worth your time. Thanks everyone, have a great day.